Welcome back everyone, and I just restart the game. Okay, and then the next thing about this is getting inside here, and the next thing is powering up the power station, and the next thing is in is in here area. And let's continue finding the batteries. Okay, let's start. Blue, yellow, and let's find the other. Oh look, red. And where is the green one? Wait, did I just say? I mean, did I just see a green battery? Rewind the video and please comment down if the green is behind this shelf. Okay, we just continue. Come on, where is the green battery? Bruh, I think I need to load again. Let's speedrun this because we have been here before. Okay, now it's green instead of yellow. Oh, there we go. Oh, there's the red one. And the yellow. I will just need to lower my voice because we have a visitor. I don't want to disrupt the conversation. Oh, did I just see Huggy right there? Never mind. Okay. Hey, look at the red hand. I didn't need blood for that. I didn't even see it. Now, give me. I'm so excited about that. Yes, I finally have a red hand. This would work. Oh, there we go. I'm so excited. What is behind this door? Wait. Oh. Wait, is this wait second man or I don't know. Okay, if I go down here I can never go up. I knew it. I'm finally on the comfortable space in my room. Okay, now what is this? Oh, my dog. I'm sorry about that. My dog is kinda annoying, but he's a good girl. Okay, now red. Oh, I think it's blue because No matter. Wait, what? It doesn't work? Oh, my dog. My dog. It doesn't work. This game is broken. And what should I do about it? Wait a minute. I think I need to. Oh yeah. That's why. Let's grab the electricity. So I would be electrocuted because of the wire. And then I just need to wait. Oh now we can glue. This is so not surprising. I completely torn into a toy. Where are we? Okay. Make a friend. Needs power. Okay. I think this is the best or the best choice. Wait. There we go. Oh. Wait, what? Power on. I think I just yes, it's kind of creepy. Okay. There we go. I think this is a bad thing. What? Hug, good. I need to go home. Here we go. Find you. Go here. I need to activate my. I know it. Come on. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh! Go down. Go down. There. Go. Come on. Yes, sliding. Sliding. Ah! Aggie is behind me. Ah! That is so scary. Oh look! You can go here. 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 Come on. Come on. Be faster. Oh. Ay! Oh! No! Come on! Come on! I need to get up. Come on! Oh look! I can drop. You have it. Hey! There's the puppy. Of course I know the road because it's transparent. Okay. This hug is so scary. I finally feel comfortable. You know what? I don't want to go there. I will just end the video right here and then I will go to part 2. I mean part 3 video and then connect it to part season 2 I think. Puppy playtime. Season 2 puppy playtime. I don't know what I'm going to say, but I'm going to end the video here. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Let's stop here. Goodbye.